Hello children and welcome back to our art and craft class. Children, today we are going to learn drawing and I am going to teach you spray painting. Now children, we have done the first session of spray painting. I had shown you how to do the spray painting with leaves and flowers. That was the first method of spray painting. Now today I am going to teach you the second method of spray painting. And to do that work, as you know, you will require your A4 size drawing book and one paper to cut the design. Then you are going to need your poster color as you have. You are going to need one pencil to draw the design on the paper, scissors to cut the design, one brush to apply color, one old toothbrush, one strainer means sarni from your mother's kitchen. So all these things you are going to need. Now children, I am going to show you how to make a design on the paper and cut it. Just follow me on the blackboard here first. Children, you are going to take a square paper and I am going to show you how to fold it into a triangle. So after you fold the paper into a triangle, your paper will be somewhat in this way. So it will be in this way. After that, I am going to show you how to give a shape for that triangle and then we are going to cut the design, whatever you are going to draw on that. So when you draw the design, you are going to keep gap in between each. This side also you can draw some design, whatever you like. Only keep a gap between two. Can you see here? So the same thing I am going to show you how to do it on the paper. Please follow me here. Only this much you have to do, nothing else. Now follow me on the paper as I show you.
Start.
So children, follow me here now. I have taken a white A4 size paper. If you don't have white, you can take any one color paper you have, or you can also use your newspaper. Now after you take this paper, you are going to fold it into a triangle to get a complete square. So this is the paper and folding it to make a square. So after you fold it, you are going to cut it according to the shape of the triangle here. So did you get a complete square? So this is a triangle. It is folded one time. This triangle is folded one time. Again there are 2 points here. We are going to fold this triangle a second time. Have you seen? This triangle is folded second time here, and then you are going to fold this again into a third time. So it will become a smaller triangle. Can you see? Now on top here there are edges open here. We are going to give a shape to this. How it is, just see. Just a straight line and just as a beak of a bird. So we are going to give a shape as a beak of a bird for the first page only. Now you can see these sides are closed and this side here we are going to draw design. As I have told you, you can draw any type of design. So children, you can draw the shape of a heart here or shape of leaves here this way. This part also is there here. Don't let any space be vacant. Make design there also in this way. If you have space in between, you can also fold it into half here from this corner. This folds, you know, as I have taught you in the class, to make a basket. So you can also fold it and give shape here. So in this way, after you complete with your design, you are going to cut it accordingly. First you are going to cut the outer shape. So you are going to cut the outer shape in this way first, as I have told you, beak of a bird. So you are going to get this shape. Then whatever design you have made, you are going to cut it accordingly. There should be gap in between each design otherwise your paper will tear into pieces. You can see there is gap in between each design here. So you are going to cut the shape as you have drawn, whatever shapes you draw. Wherever you have drawn the shapes, you are going to cut it there. And as I have told you, you can fold it into half here and also make design and cut it. As much as you can make the design. See, after you cut and open your work, it will be seen in this way. You're going to open your work then and it will be seen here in this way. Did you get? Now this design we are going to make use for spray painting. I am going to show you how. Just wait for a minute now. So children, here I have taken a paper. You are going to take and hold your paper or your big drawing book in a horizontal way. So I have arranged my paper on the table here. Now as you can see, we have cut the design here. You have to apply little water on all the parts of the paper here and then paste it on the book or the sheet you have taken, so your paper will not move from the place. Little water you can apply here and there, and then paste this in the center of your page here. Press it a little in this way. Did you get? So you are going to paste your paper on this book here. Apply little water here. Then you are not going to touch it after once you have stuck the paper with water there. Now you can see I have already kept the color ready for you in a container here. Then you can see I have taken my strainer and my toothbrush. So you know children what you have to do. You are going to apply color with your paint brush on the strainer here in this way. Apply it, and then as I have shown you last time, you are going to spray on the design you have stuck on the book. So in the same way, you are going to spray here. Don't make your color very thin, let it be a little thick. We are going to apply color and then keep on spraying on the paper. So it will take a little time to finish your work. Keep on applying color and spraying it on the design you have cut. The same way you are going to complete everything. So children, you can see I have completed with my spray on this design which we have cut. Now children, after you spray on the design you have cut, you are going to wait for 5 minutes for your color to dry. After your color is dried up, after 5 minutes, you are going to slowly pick up the paper cutting which we have done. Slowly you are going to take it out and keep it aside. Now after you take the design stencil out, you are going to see a beautiful design of spray painting. Now wherever the cut design was there, you can see you have got the spray there, and the design which was not cut is totally white. So children, this is the second part of spray painting. Now children, this is a bit messy work, So when you are doing this work, you are going to take newspaper, a rough cloth, all these things to do this spray painting work. Now children, can you see a beautiful design is formed here? Hope you like today's second part of spray painting. As I have shown you children and told you, you are going to follow the same steps to do this work. Now you can apply any color you like for spraying here. Not compulsory, I have taken red, so you are going to take red. Any one color you are going to take to make your spray painting. Now I am going to display this on the blackboard. You are going to follow it and do it the same way. Very easy it is. So you can see that. So children, after you have finished your work, what is your duty? To submit it on the Google Classroom. And children, you are going to stay in the house and be safe. Thank you.